Yo, what's going on, y'all? One more again, y'all know me. Uh, and another entry, another sniper type entry. Very little drawdown on this trade. Let's take a look at the drawdown I had on this trade. Oh, so as you can see, the entry here. Let's say 37.10. I think 37.10. So 8 pip drawdown. And as you can see, I'm definitely down over 30 pips here. Nothing to really make a lot of noise and beat my chest about, but profits are profits. As y'all can see, strategy works very well, very well. So yeah, hold on a moment.